Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to use Cash App Afterpay on DoorDash. And I'll show you the simple way to make it work smoothly every time. Now the first thing you need to know is that DoorDash does not officially support Afterpay as a direct payment option. But there's still a way to make it work by using gift cards through the Afterpay app. Start by opening the Afterpay app on your phone and make sure it's updated. In the search bar, type DoorDash. Instead of seeing DoorDash as a regular store, you'll see an option for DoorDash gift cards. Tap on it. From here, you'll be able to choose the amount for your gift card. Take a moment to decide how much you want to load, whether it's a small amount just for one meal or a larger amount to cover multiple orders. Once you pick the amount, select the option to buy it for yourself. Afterpay will then guide you through the checkout, splitting your payment into installments as usual. Once your purchase is complete, you'll receive the DoorDash gift card code. Copy that code and head over to your DoorDash account. Open the DoorDash app or website, go to the payment section, and add the gift card. The balance will be applied instantly to your account, and you can now use it to pay for your order, just like cash. If for some reason the card doesn't load right away, simply refresh your DoorDash app or sign out and back in. And if you don't see the DoorDash gift card option in Afterpay, check again later because availability can change from time to time. That's all there is to it. By purchasing DoorDash gift cards through Afterpay and then adding them to your DoorDash account, you can easily use Cash App Afterpay on DoorDash, even though it isn't a direct payment method. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.